Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is no oil or zero oil paneer masala. This is a much healthier version of paneer masala which you can make easily at home. Stay tuned to know how to make this healthy version of paneer masala. Needing the following ingredients to make our no oil or zero oil paneer masala. In a pan, we will add in onions, jeera, one chilli, ginger and garlic, long and elaichi, tomatoes, add in around 1/4 cup of water, give it all a nice mix, close the lid and let it cook for around 10 to 15 minutes on medium flame. After 10 to 15 minutes, we'll check on our vegetables if it's cooked. Yeah, our tomatoes and our onions have become nice and soft. Now we'll turn off the heat and we'll let this mixture cool down. Now we'll add the cooked vegetables to a blender jar and we'll also add the makhanas. Here I'm using makhanas to thicken the gravy. If you want, you can also use cashews to thicken the gravy. This is how the paste will look once you have blended the vegetables and the makhana in the blender jar. Heat a pan, add the paste that we made in the blender jar, add around 3 to 4 tablespoons of water to the blender jar and take out all the excess paste that we have in the blender. Add haldi, dhania powder, garam masala, salt to taste and give everything a nice mix. Close the lid and let it cook for around 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes, we take out the lid, add in the paneer cubes, give it all one nice mix and close the lid and let it cook on low flame for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we'll take out the lid, give it all a nice mix and now our no oil or zero oil paneer masala is ready. We'll transfer this into a serving bowl. Garnish it with some coriander leaves. So there you go. Our no oil or zero oil paneer masala is ready to be served.
I hope you guys really liked the video. If you really liked the video, then do hit the like button. And also, if you found it helpful, do subscribe to my channel and do press the bell notification which is there right next to the subscription button so that you get the notification of all the videos as soon as I upload them. Thank you.